So I cut open the watermelon to find that it's completely liquefied. See it running down? It stinks. Ugh. Alright, I gotta get this out of the house.